Hello everyone, my name is Tamara Lynette. I am an MIT, a minimalist in training, a minimalist fashionista, and part of the reason I created this channel was to document my journey to minimalism, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And if you guys have been following along my journey so far, you know that there's been a lot of ugly, rough spots. And the main one being don't feel like doing it, or maybe it's denial. And today I am feeling a little energetic, so I'm going to take advantage of that and head out and purchase some items that I need to get organized. So I'm gonna head up TJ Maxx and probably to Dollar Tree as well. So anyway, I thought I would create a video where I take you all along with me as I go shopping for organizational items. I have just pulled up to TJ Maxx. I am just going to stick to my list of organizational items. Let's do this. All right, I'm going to head over to the makeup department to see what kind of organizers they have over there. Over to housewares because they don't have anything in the makeup department, so I'm going to start at the end and work my way up. Oh wow, I bought one of these on Amazon. How much are they charging? $24. Mine is purple though. I don't remember how much I paid. It's probably about the same. I could use this for something. Those are awfully tiny. This could hold some makeup. Yeah, what's this? Made Smart. Looks like a desk organizer for my spices. I might get that. Oh, there's all kinds of organizational heaven over here. These little guys, because those can go in a drawer to help organize it. There's two of these here. So I found this to organize my vitamins in my kitchen cupboard. So it's a non-skid shelf organizer. And it's only $3.99. I'm gonna get this one to go in my bathroom drawer. For my eyeshadow palettes, I'm going to put this underneath my sink. I just need to measure. Okay, so I decided I think I'm going to get this one instead because it's lower profile, so I have room to stack and actually reach the items, but it's a Lazy Susan on top of a storage shelf. So we'll see how that goes. I also decided to grab a couple of storage shelves. This is two of them. I think I'll use this under my sink for my beauty supplies as well. Whatever I don't use, I can always return. That's the beauty of TJ Maxx. I have a ton of fingernail polish that I need to go through and get rid of and pare down, and I think this container could be perfect. How much is it? $4.99. I found this to put in my drawer. It's gonna fit perfectly for my makeup drawer. Yay! Not sure what I'm going to use this for, but it's really cool, and I think it's a good option for something. Alright, I'm getting this mesh trash bin because I have this big bag of jewelry that I want to sell eventually that I can organize by putting in here instead of the big bag that it's in. I hope it'll fit. I want to replace the rug in my vanity area. I don't know if you can see it up close. It's really pretty, and it matches my bed set. $16.99. So how they get you at the checkout. I didn't know I needed these, but I do for my laptop. Check this out. They have a little rotating cosmetic thingamajiggas organizers. I think I have everything I need for my bedroom to organize my vanity and just my general bedroom area. I'm still gonna go to Dollar Tree. I have a couple things I want to pick up there. Yeah, I think I'll go to Dollar Tree instead of the 99-cent store. This is exactly what I'm looking for. LED push lights. I'm gonna get a few of those. I think those will come in handy under cabinets and stuff. You can't come home with me. I will not buy stupid things that I have to throw away later. I've made it home with my big purchases. Let's go through these bags and recap what I bought. All right, so this is a nice organizer that has the handle on it, and this is a bin that I said I was going to use for jewelry. I have this jewelry that I'm going to be selling eventually on maybe my website or Etsy, I'm not sure. Now I bought this to put in my makeup drawer, and actually when I was at Dollar Tree, yeah, that's gonna work. I bought this. It's like 3 little organizers with inside there. I want to use it like this in my drawer. Okay, so I bought this one for my master bathroom. Well, I only have 1 bathroom, but I have 2 sinks. I didn't measure this, but I think it'll fit. Next, I bought this for my vitamins, so I'll be interested to see if this, how this fits. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this little cubby, but it's cute and it's really a sturdy, heavy plastic. Okay, I'm excited to see how this contraption is gonna play out. My little lazy Susan on top of this wire shelf. The last thing I bought from TJ Maxx were these storage shelves, which we've all seen those. Then from Dollar Tree, I purchased a lot of these under lights. They're push lights. Fingers crossed that I have everything that I need for right now to work on the projects that I have in mind. If you would like to see how I use all these items, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be making videos on how I used all these in my spaces. And if you found any value or entertainment in this video, please hit that like button. In the meantime, I will see you next time with less stuff.